are with the Executive Director of WIMA, Joanna Murchie, and the Celtic Director, Heinz Brueggemann. So, welcome. So, Heinz, please, could you tell us about the Celtic-Plus Research Initiative?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Celtic-Plus, I should explain, is an organization and a forum which is intergovernmental, which provides public funding on one side and private funding to run research projects. It is covered by the so-called Eureka framework. Eureka is an organization founded nearly 25 years ago, and this organization has established some clusters. Clusters are working on particular areas. We are working in particular on telecommunication, and we have a lot of telecommunication industry, telco providers with us to run common projects. Our current goal in Celtic-Plus is in particular to focus on the so-called smart connected world. This is what we want to get. This is a step even beyond the smart cities, because the smart cities needs also to be connected to make a whole picture of the whole world.
And so what have been the highlights for you around the Celtic-Plus event regarding speakers, project exhibited and attendees?
Well, the first highlight was the marvelous location here, close to the sea, nice weather. It was honestly, and this is what I heard also from many participants, it was the best event we had here. This is, of course, also due to the location, but we had also so many really interesting exhibitions, really interesting speeches, a lot of people around. And also the combination with WIMA and the near-field communication clouds, which is very much related to exactly what we are doing, was a good benefit. The exhibitors were telling us they had a lot of visitors also from WIMA. And so it was an added value, I guess, for everybody. It was really satisfactory.
So, okay. Joanna, you have to pass over. So, Joanna, can you tell us about the highlights of this 8th edition of WIMA 2014?
Yes, well, for WIMA this year, we actually evolved the concept from just a dedicated NFC event, and we had introduced new marketing focus technology such as BLE, which is Bluetooth Low Energy, HCA QR code, and much more the focus on the actual use case, so marketing, payment, retail, and there's all this new ecosystem of services that are coming available. And what was really nice for us to see this year, there were many more market-facing companies involved in our conference program and attending the event. We've had really good feedback from the people who attended, the exhibitors, the speakers, the attendees. The content was really, really good, and we were very pleased about that. So, as well as I have to say, one of the things for me that was a real pleasure to collaborate with Celtic-Plus, and we were delighted to welcome them to Monaco and to also co-locate. This worked really well. This was more research side from Celtic-Plus, and we have more business focus. But as Heinz has already said, there is a lot of synergies between what we do with the NFC, the cloud, and all the sensors and the different. He knows much more about it than I do, but the different research projects they do, there was definitely a lot of synergies here, and we were delighted. We had people take part in Celtic in our program as well, in our research track, and it was really good. And then I just also want to mention today we also have a Bitcoin Masterclass, which is also a first for us, and this is also something that we like. At WIMA we like innovation, we like sometimes a little bit disruptive, and I think this is also something we see good synergies between what we're doing and Bitcoin as well.
And so this new concept, has it been a success?
Yes, I think so. I'm very, we're very, positive. We've had very good feedback. It's been a transition, but yes, for sure, it's been a success, and this was the way to go.
And so, how do you see WIMA evolving in 2015?
So for 2015, I think we see the continued outreach of what we are doing. It's enhancing the customer experience in mobile marketing, in retail. Lots more retailers coming on board, the transport operators, and the market growing. Some of the bigger companies as well, getting more positioned in this kind of proximity market. And we have many startups, and I think they will be supporting and guiding these startups as well in this new, if not revolution, evolution.
And so for a last question for both of you, have you enjoyed and found beneficial the co-location with WIMA in Monaco and Celtic-Plus? And what new insights came to light merging the two event communities?
Well, definitely, and this is also when I was asking around, this was very useful. The important thing is to create networks, to have contacts with people who are doing similar things which are useful for us. And if I'm not wrong, we will get one of the other projects with even a participant involved in WIMA, currently not in Euros, in Celtic. And we will see that we are getting also common projects out of it, and then we have achieved what we wanted to have.
And so, again for us, it was also, I think, the companies that come to WIMA, we encourage them to meet with Heinz and meet with the Celtic organisation, because many of them also can get involved in the projects, and I think this is it's very beneficial for both sides. So
congratulations
for this week, and we hope to see you both events very soon.
Yes, thanks also to Joanne for the great help.
Thank you to you too.
Okay.